So hi guys, today I have the Deloitte sponsored smartphone with me. So I have ordered iPhone for myself. So in Deloitte we get two options to select the phone whichever suits you the best. So I chose Apple, and the other brand which the option was available to us was Samsung. So I have ordered this iPhone 11 128GB variant from the Deloitte portal itself, and this one I have bought in for around 55,000 approximately, and the black color looks very neat and clean. As you can see that the black color looks very dynamic for this particular model of iPhone, and along with it some accessories you can see in the box, the typical ones, some documentations which I have got with this, and I'll just quickly set it up, the phone, turn this phone on. Actually it looks quite nice, and the way that the Deloitte provides to its employee the whichever phone and the kind of reimbursement program which they have in place, so it's quite nice. So I'll just quickly open this up, set it up, and can show you that this is the 2022 variant of iPhone 11 128GB version. So now I have set it up, the whole device. I hope you have liked the video. If you do, please make sure that you subscribe and like this video. And next video I'm thinking of doing a Q&A. So if you want a Q&A video, just let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.